What's going on, guys? I'm here with my homie. We're going to be doing a gameplay for you guys. I think I'm going to be playing Commando. He's going to be playing Mercenary. We're going to be the Bald Gang. Alright? So, like, subscribe the video. It will only take a little bit of your time, and if you ever want to unsubscribe later, it's your choice. Go ahead. But I do hope you enjoy. You ready to start this?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to do Commando this run. Because I don't have the 6 skin for him yet. Why don't you use the Oni skin?
'Cause I like this one more because it's blue and
Isn't
not red.
that purple?
No, it's like blue. I mean blue and purple and shit, but mostly like blue.
True. Alright. Please be the new. Oh, but it's not here right off the bat. Alright, let's go find that. I think we're gonna be rushing instead of just trying to farm.
Bird.
Hey, bleed items are mine, fucker.
All I need is the razor wire.
Yeah, you just need the Hellfire tonic. Maybe we can find the, what's it called? What's that thing? The new altar. You can go check, oh, I got the best item in the game, by the way.
Which is what?
Look what I have.
Oh. Bird. Yes, sir.
What are you talking about? It's the best item in the game, dude. It's my first, I opened one chest, and that's what I got.
TP's right here.
I think, I know where the altar is, so I'm gonna try and hit that. That way we can get you your on it.
Maybe.
Hopefully. I got a syringe. Let's go, dude.
I was playing like by myself earlier. Oh shit, I actually just picked up some bleed.
Motherfucker. Dude, I can't get up here. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay, we're good. Yeah, I haven't played Commando in a while.
Since like the launch of the when you first got it.
Pretty much. And then that one run I did to get his other abilities, but are you ready?
Yeah. Hit that shit.
These guys. I got these wisps. You better be ready for when there's the laser thing.
Yeah, he just did it to me.
Are you not in that game? What's going on?
Bro, I about gave myself an aneurysm trying to get this second ult for this guy earlier today.
The second what?
His secondary ult.
Did you finally do it?
Yeah.
The
But this
ult-
one's just better.
Yeah, the ult isn't even good. That's the thing. The second
It's fun. It's
It is.
fun, but
I like the first one because you actually don't take damage.
you just actually master Yi. And with me saying that, you just lost all your subscribers
True.
because I made a League of Legends reference.
You're the most hated game. Every living person on Earth.
There's so many like League of Legends characters on like that website for the modding.
Yeah, they've pretty much thought of like every ability you can think of though. So it's hard to not make a reference. Dude, this shit
Are you
takes
hitting it?
so long to charge. We're hitting this portal. But yeah.
No, let's hit the other one.
Hit the other one? Yeah, let's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hit it, we're good.
No, okay, good. We almost fucked that up there.
Oh, we're gonna have it easy too if we're
We are in easy, let's go.
no, it's not in here.
You sure?
This shit never spawns for me, I'm telling you.
There is Transcendence, but... this one converts all your HP into, like, shields.
Yo,
Oh,
that
that's really
fucking
good.
feels bad.
Let's go do this.
I love
void.
that item.
The Tesla coil.
Yeah.
I love it when the enemies in the void have it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's my favorite thing. It's kind of like a kink of mine.
Oh yeah.
Something. I'm just chilling by myself, you know.
But I was playing earlier, and I was just like testing out stuff with the captain, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I was just trying to make him as fast as humanly possible. So I was like in the thing where you could pick your own items,
Yep.
and I was fucking zooming.
As long as they get.
Switcher is fragging out, dude.
I know, dude. I told you, it's the best item in the game. Got all those joking. It's all fun and games until Spitzer is up to the block. Me and my homies. Peter Spitzer. Charge TP.
Hey, shut the fuck up. I'm fragging.
A fraggot out here. Do you have any healing items? You have.
I've got the one that drops the balls.
Yeah, you have monster too, but that's
Drops the nuts.
Dude, Commando looks so quirky running around. Like, look at this.
I mean, I'm running like I'm in fucking Naruto.
Dude, I'm gonna title this video Bald Gang.
Ball sack head type beat.
Oh shit. Light work. Maybe charge all that shit by myself.
Hey, but I was getting the frags. That's what matters.
It's like
Yeah, they infinitely spawn,
infinitely spawning frags.
but I got the frags.
True, true.
Look at how much money we have because
That's true. You get a bunch of levels. Dude, this thing
like if
Commando-
Mercenary just did like 500% more damage, I would be happy.
True. I think that would be any character though. Or is that just 5 times for all?
We're about to get a fucking super noob with this fucking dash.
Dude, Commando reminds me from Eva. From Halo, or whatever the helmet was.
Oh, Eve from the hit movie Wall-E.
Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking of. No, this mushroom, dude. I gotta do that. Oh god, I'm saying poison. Dude, I don't know where I gotta target the mushrooms. And they're just gonna keep respawning. Just gotta keep jumping around. Me and my homies hate Dios.
There's actually kind of AIDS.
Because they keep respawning, dude. And I can't see. Like, at least it's not Tesla coils.
Yeah. We're almost done.
There's poison everywhere. There's 70 acres. Okay, there's just poison all over the ground. If we were in medium, I think we'd be dead.
Yeah.
Because the poison does, like, significantly more damage. It's just...
Oh, yo, this is so good on me. It's probably really good on you too. Wait, why are they still here?
It doesn't... It's good for both of us to have it anyways, because they have Dios, they revive. It's good for both of us, because all it does with the scaling is increase the radius of your explosions. It doesn't do any bonus damage or anything.
Oh, okay.
So having 2 is useless, pretty much.
Yeah. But dude, that procs on every single part of my ult.
I know. And it's just a bonus 60% damage, like, overall.
Yeah.
Which is kind of crazy.
The fucking Tesla coil and the snowflake are like my 3 favorite legendaries.
the more snowflakes you have, the bigger like area you have too. Like you could have one that potentially reaches across the entire map.
You just have fucking 5,000 of them.
Oh, let's go get those. Let's go get the bands when we can.
Heard.
Because
I can just
remember killing
actually
those Lemurian guys.
Yeah.
Look at the bands. It's really good for probably.
Oh, I'm gonna hit the nude altar up here again. See if I can't get the fucking
Oh, that's true.
item that's on.
Oh my god, I love Brilliant Behemoth. This item is so good. Alright, let's go try to find TP. Oh, I got it. Alright, I think I'm gonna. Wait, what's this? There's a teddy bear printer, and there's also a focus crystal. There's two focus crystals in here.
Yeah.
And then, what's in here? Tougher times. Alright.
Oh, TP's right here.
Yeah, maybe we can hit it. Might as well, right? I'm gonna open this chest over here first, though.
Give me the loot. Eh.
I need bleed, though. Look at that damage. Put it out now. This is a legendary item. Let me open this.
Should we start the TP?
Yeah. There's gasoline. Actually, I'll take this one. Because it only scales by 75% projection when you have.
Oh, it's this fucker?
This guy's gonna get destroyed. Imagine if I had my right click.
He existed for
Yeah, he's
80.
done. Oh, these are fine. I'm gonna take these.
What are they?
It's all crit, predatory instincts.
Okay.
Here you go, Pete. This item is so broken. God. I wish I had the focus convergence, the one that lets you charge to faster. But it reduces like the size of the area, which isn't that big of a deal. Because I mean, look at the enemies we're dealing with.
Yeah.
We're like 1 every 2 seconds.
Yeah, they're doing their best, okay?
True. Alright. Dude, as Rex, there's this challenge to knock the clay off inside of this pit right here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. He just fucking like fell right in. What's in here? Are those glasses? Those are glasses, dude. And there's a uke. Let's go. Oh, there's a scrapper here, dude.
Oh, fucking naughty. Was that focus crystal?
I think there's also a tougher times printer as well. Did these all cost 93? 63, so I can open 3 chests. Ooh, bullets, I'll take. Oh! Yo! Look what's here. Wait, don't spend it. Oh, no, wait, dude. Oh, we're too late. Look what's here, dude. Check this out. Look at this. Do you know what this is?
Yeah, I know. I've done this.
Dude. Could have fought that boss and got hella good shit. Rip.
And he spawns on. Oh, I almost took that. Where's the scrapper at?
It's somewhere over there. It's like on the side.
I see it. I see it.
Oh, you get the cube. Nice. We need to find those pressure plates pretty fast. The guys down here aren't too hard either. Like, they're not that bad. Where are they at? There. That's an extra, like, 1,000,000% damage that I can proc. I can pretty much one-shot Mithrix now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I can one-shot Gura the Scavenger as well. Do you know
Is
who
that the
is?
other boss?
Yeah, that's the one
They
with
get
the
they get from
beads.
looping?
Yeah.
I haven't fought that one though.
Dude, I remember trying to blow up these pots for gold, so that'd be like Zelda. But you can't.
Shock dart.
Shock dot. I need to scrap this key. And then you can hit TP. Alright.
You good?
Yeah. Go ahead, hit it. I hit the shrine just before we left, too.
Well, we're going here, so.
Hopefully it doesn't take my money.
Oh, it's here.
It is? Or I can buy it for you. I have 57.
Oh, I have 50, so.
Oh, you're chilling. You're big chill. Do I buy
I see
anything
some
here?
fucking razor wire now.
These are just garbage items. Just get out of here.
You want the black hole?
I have the fruit for right now. Some more survivability. You have leech seeds too, yeah, you're good with the Q.
Yeah, oh, I need some razor wire now and I'll be fucking kitted.
Oh, check this out, right here, in front of us. I'm gonna grab this.
Whale, and...
Yo, I need that on it. Am I not proccing my pants with this? I don't think I can proc my bands, can I? Maybe not. Maybe I need the royal capacitor to proc it. There's a scrapper here too. Just take that. We did not make it inside.
For what?
For the Prion.
What do you mean, the Prion?
That thing.
Oh, I've never seen that.
Good. That's the Prion accumulator. So it does like 2,000% damage. That's pretty cool.
Yo, glasses right there.
Let's go.
What was for me?
It's right here. Alright, I'm about to hit TP.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
That's gonna take me.
Ew.
I can't activate my thing though. I need the. I think I need it on the last level. Just damage.
This is without even the razor wire either.
You take those.
Damn, I have 4 of these now.
It adds 3, so you basically do 1,200% extra damage when you do something after it explodes. So that's where most of your damage is going. For right now,
Kinda
at least.
kid.
You're kind of goated on the sticks.
Yeah. Nah, but all I need now is the razor wire, and I'm like literally like full. Some extra attack speed's always nice too.
Just watching you dash around everywhere.
Sir.
Bald gang comes in clutch. Every time I think of these, every time I see the stone pull-ups, I always just say in my head, rock solid. You know, from Malphite.
I've never played Malphite, so no.
Really? He always said that. He always goes, rock solid.
Malphite's kind of AIDS, so...
Malphite's the best champ in the game.
Did you see that video No-Nog put in here of Malphite, like, this Ash kited Malphite literally across the entire river? And
it didn't die.
Yeah. It took like almost no damage. Like what how do you make yourself that stinky?
It's balanced, what are you talking about? I bet it was like a late game though, because you could tell, like, usually, she also didn't have Mithrix. Like, she was just building, like, attack speed. Like, you could see her build, and she wasn't doing any damage for a reason. She didn't build any life. Okay, we're staying here, by the way. Recoils, I'm good. And we're back.
Oh, there's this big stone boy over here.
Oh, there's a... Oh, what the fuck? I didn't see this guy.
I don't know. Every mountain I've done today with No-Nog has just ended very poorly.
Well, I'm not No-Nog, am I?
I guess you're right.
As long as it's not like instant kill or shit.
Could be an imp man.
Oh, I'm dead.
And now I get to do the Shrine of the Mountain by myself.
True.
How do you die? Ooh.
I don't know how I did it. I was fighting the Inca, and he must have applied 10 stacks of bleed. And I didn't even see it. I didn't expect him to do that much damage with bleed.
Let's see if I can't find some razor wire before this TP.
I say just farm up, dude.
Find out.
Oh, you're good. Chill. As long as you don't get bleed. It's only one boss, too.
Yeah, which is nice.
Really nice, actually. I don't think that rarely ever happens.
That was a first.
Uh-oh. The teddy bear blocked all that. What?
I have like 4 teddy bears.
We have 3. Oh my god. Did you buy them all at one stage?
Beat an elite boss on Monsoon difficult.
Hey, 4
oh,
tombs.
Look at that.
Look at all that
Look
money.
at that. Look at it.
Chilling. Oh, you took a shit ton of damage, though. We're almost done charging. See? You don't even need me, dude.
I'm fucking kidded right now.
Goated on the sticks.
Oh, we take those.
It's charged. I gotta say that.
Yo,
Go open the legendary chest, bro.
Where is it?
Okay, so I'll show you after you're done killing this place.
Hold up. We got anything? Oh, I want that scythe.
Scythe or the stealth kit?
The scythe.
Gives you 5%. And it heals every time you take 8 damage. Or every time you crit, you heal for 8 HP.
Where's the legendary chest?
To the right. Yep. Right behind those rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, that's good.
I like these. Okay.
Dude, your on kill is insane. Pick up that treasure behind you. How much money it gives you?
Oh my god, like 400?
Yeah. It scales over time, so that's why it gives you so much.
And I have like 4 of the tones. Yeah, 4 tones.
Dude, the next map, you're gonna be fucking kitted with money. I say open all the chests, and then
Might as well.
we play for Mithrix, because, I mean, I shouldn't- the only reason I died was because I got bled. Ooh, another uppercut. Some armor. Yo, you're on kill though. What is it? 1800% extra damage?
Something like that, dude.
Your damage is gonna be like 10 times more than that in this game. Because of the all your stuff that you got. There's a printer up there. I don't know what it is though. Oh, it's the best item in the game.
Oh, yes sir, yes sir.
Tunnels are open, by the way.
Oh my god.
Every time you heal, that was the garbage stuff, remember?
Oh yeah.
Every time you heal, then you reach like 10% of your HP with your soul energy or whatever. You shoot like these horns that come out of you for like, I have no idea, for the 250% damage, maybe? I'm not too sure.
I'm like, I have disgusting items right.
All you need is a energy drink. And you'll be like, your mobility will be easy.
There's like
no
nothing in here.
chests. Oh, there's one.
There's.
It's good. 60 armor while running. Alright, I need to get kitted.
Yeah, I'm already built, so.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm kind of like.
There's a hook thing here.
Not chilling.
I mean, this map always has dummy chests, so.
True.
As long as you don't die.
There's a heavy chest here.
I'm just go frag stuff. And try to find a scrapper.
I need to make sure to use my. What is this here? Hands. It's really bad that I thought I could proc my band with
Ooh,
it.
Mr. Parent, relax. Oh, you're an elite, that's why. Okay, let me get some cover back. Let me get some cover
I mean, my bleed is good, but I found TP.
back.
I
Okay.
think I'm gonna hit it.
Ew.
More magma worms? That's gross.
I hate to see it.
There's a focus crystal printer here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Razor wire doing work.
Okay. I'm just ignited for all of my HP. I'm really squishy, actually. Wait for this fruit to come up. I applied some bleed. Okay, taking all.
I don't like when there's multiple magma worms, too. That shit kills me.
I think I got one. I killed one of the yellow ones. I did damage, it's not bad. I need this predatory instincts that's in here though. Oh, here they are. They're all on me.
Where are you? Because I'm at TP right now. I'm charging TP. Where are these worms at? Because I've got my fucking key.
I'm bringing them over there.
Oh my god, look at the damage!
Yeah, your damage is actually kind of crazy. You killed one, nice.
Oh, I'm frozen in poison. That was not good for me.
You gotta heal up, bro.
I got leech seeds. We're chilling.
I'm trying to kill these mushrooms.
The mushrooms don't get like knocked out.
He's bled, yeah.
Chrono bottles.
We already charged TP too.
Yeah, I was here the whole time. Get kitted, my guy.
As long as they don't die here. SMBS. Chilling.
Alright, you can hit it.
Alright, we can do it.
We got 20k
As long
to
as you don't
spend,
die
so.
in the beginning. Oh my god. Yo,
Yeah.
knock on wood. Coil. Coil is such a stupid item.
I have 6 wisps.
Dude, those are so useless now, though.
Yeah, it's on kill.
But it's whatever. You have
Can scrappers spawn on here in this map?
no.
Damn. Literally, like, I'm gonna have this, like, buff, like, the entire fight.
The Q?
Yeah. Because I can have 2 of them, and once one is done on cooldown, it has, like, 2 seconds. And so I can, in between that time, I can just use the other one.
Why is this one in between the walls?
He's dead. Fuck that guy.
Where's Mark for that?
Bro, I do disgusting damage.
Kill these little bear guys before they kill us. I did some pretty good bleed damage, which is all I was hoping for. Honestly, no, I can't even risk trading any items, so I'm not gonna go look. Just gonna head straight to the boss.
Ugh. I hate that, like, if I'm trying to use my R for mobility, if, like, a teammate is in front of me, it'll stop me.
Oh yeah. Because you like go what is that over there? A uke? Wait, I can ping it from here. Berserker Pauldron Squid thing. Headset. That's all garbage over there. So there's really no need.
You know there's, like, lunar pods over here on, like, this side, on the right side?
Yeah, I saw that.
I'll probably be fine. Yeah, they died.
We're chilling, we're chilling. Alright, let's go do this. This shouldn't be that bad.
Was that you shooting at me?
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck?
Alright, let's do this.
Wake that clown up.
Play that bleed. Shoving.
Oh, my one-shot section is
Just jumping. If you come stand over here, the shockwave things don't even reach.
Oh, yeah. I'm glad that he's aggroing you. and
It's because
not
all my
me.
bleed damage I'm doing. He's gotta jump one more time. That'll be it. Yeah, if you just stand right here, it doesn't reach. That was pretty easy first stage.
Yeah.
These blind guys.
That last stage is gonna be a fucking bitch, dude.
I know. We just can't get hit. That's literally it.
We're just so fucking disgusting. He's got like fucking 1,000 stacks. If he has like 70 stacks, it's super fun right now.
Yeah, he's, I got a war banner here, Hector.
Interesting.
That's the first time I've had one of these. Alright, let's see.
That actually probably is mad fucking good in here.
Yeah. He's jumping. What was in the thing?
The fucking romp and stomp.
The Fall Guys.
Oh, you guys close the Fall Guys.
Just is.
I don't know about that one. Hey, Spucko.
Oh, there's my one hit protection.
Oh,
Oh,
there
you got
goes mine,
hit. Yeah,
too.
you and I both got run. Oh, he's jumping, he's jumping, he's jumping.
I'm all the way up here.
against melee champs.
Gonna deal with some of these fucking turrets. Not turrets, fucking mechs.
Alright, he's jumping. What's in the thing? I got a war banner here? Oh, fuck it. I forgot about the shockwave for a second. Instead. Alright, get ready, dude.
There's gonna be AIDS.
Yeah, get behind a pillar. You can't let him hit it. Can't let him hit you. Like once. He has a shield too. We need to get our items back if we're gonna do anything.
Yeah. I'm gonna go in and R.
He's focused on me. Don't get hit once, otherwise you're gonna take the lead. Oh, he's doing a thing. Jump, jump, jump.
Oh my god, what is happening? Oh my fuck! I'm dead.
Don't get hit once, dude.
Oh, maybe I live. How long does bleed last, dude? This bleed is nutty.
Oh my
I
god.
live. I live.
I barely live because I have my thing back. I'm trying to kite him around this. Oh, he healed for a shield, bro.
I'm dead. Dude.
No. I have no items, bro. Oh, dude. That was a big rip. That's the video. Couldn't get the dub, but I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Means a lot if you do. Like, comment, share this video with friends. But yeah, I think we had a pretty good run. We're really close to the commando win, but he had that personal shield gen at the end. It was really unfortunate, but it's alright. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.